Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to our weekly press briefing, where we aim to provide journalists with an update on the latest developments at the court, a look ahead at the next week, and the opportunity to ask questions. If you need interpretation, you can find an interpretation button at the bottom of your Zoom screen, and you can choose between English, Albanian, and Serbian. Based on 3 expert reports it commissioned, the trial panel in the Salih Mustafa case concluded that the national courts in Kosovo do not provide a realistic avenue for the victims of the crimes charged in this case to claim reparations. Therefore, the panel decided that in case of a conviction in this case, it will not refer victims to civil courts in Kosovo, but issue a reparation order. The panel also ordered the Ministry of Justice in Kosovo to respond to questions by 16th March 2022 concerning how a reparation order issued by the trial panel could be implemented. The relevant decision of the trial panel was filed on 4th of February and can be found on the KSC website. Also on 4th February, the Specialist Prosecutor's Office closed its case in the proceedings against Salih Mustafa. On the same day, the defense informed that it intends to file a motion to dismiss any or all charges in the indictment. This motion will be filed on 15th February 2022, with responses by the SPO and Victims' Council due on 21st February 2022. The panel intends to issue a decision on such a motion between 23rd and 25th February 2022. Until such motion is decided, the trial cannot proceed to the next phase, which would concern the presentation of the evidence by Victims' Council and by the defense. Turning to the Guzzati and Haradinaj case, Trial Panel 2 closed the evidentiary phase of the proceedings on 3rd February, following the closure of the defense cases on 2nd February. The trial panel further ordered the defense and the prosecution to submit their final trial briefs by 3rd of March 2022 and scheduled the closing statements to be held between 14th and 18th of March 2022. In the afternoon of 4th February, a pre-trial hearing in the Thaci et al. Case took place, during which matters concerning the continued detention of the accused, the disclosure process, and the status of investigations were discussed. Today, President Ekaterina Trendafilova assigned a Court of Appeals panel following the pretrial judge's decision of 8th February, wherein he partially granted Mr. Thaci's and Mr. Veseli's requests to appeal his 23rd of December decision. In that decision, the pretrial judge, among other matters, granted the SPO leave to make certain amendments to the confirmed indictment in this case. The president assigned Judge Michel Picard, Judge Emilio Gatti, and Judge Nina Jurgensen to the Court of Appeals panel. The next pre-trial hearing in this case is scheduled for 24th March at 2:30 in the afternoon. The next status conference in the Shala case has been scheduled for 4th of March at 2:30 in the afternoon. In other news, the Kosovo Specialist Chambers outreach team on Tuesday held a lecture and moderated discussion with high school students from Ferizaj Uroševac, and today a similar event with citizens in northern Kosovo, providing basic information on the court and its proceedings to the participants and answering their questions. Since 2008, the Specialist Chambers has conducted 103 similar outreach events, online and in person, across Kosovo, with citizens, young people, civil society, and others, to provide information about the court, listen to people's comments and concerns, and answer questions. This is all from me for today. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer.